Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the mysteries of life, love, and personal growth. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey together, one of healing, self-discovery, and finding love again. If you've ever wondered how to ignite that spark once more, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Embracing self-love. Finding love again starts with loving yourself. It's about embracing your own worth and recognizing the unique qualities that make you extraordinary. So take a moment, grab a pen and paper, and let's begin by listing all the things you love about yourself. Remember, self-love is not selfish. It's essential. When you radiate love from within, you attract love in return. Number 2. Healing from past hurts. To find love again, it's important to heal from past hurts. Whether it's a previous relationship or a deep emotional wound, take the time to acknowledge and process your pain. Healing begins by forgiving yourself and others. Journaling, therapy, and spending time in nature are powerful ways to release negative emotions and open your heart to new possibilities. Number 3. Redefining your values and desires. Now that you've nurtured self-love and healed, it's time to redefine what you truly desire in a partner. Reflect on your values, goals, and the qualities that are non-negotiable for you. Visualizing your desires helps manifest them into reality. So get creative and create a vision board to attract the love you seek. Number 4. Expanding your social circle. Finding love often involves stepping out of your comfort zone and expanding your social circle. Attend events, join clubs, or explore new hobbies that align with your interests. Remember, the more connections you make, the greater the chance of encountering someone who shares your passions and resonates with your soul. Number 5. Taking action and dating with purpose. Now comes the exciting part, putting yourself out there and dating with purpose. Online platforms like dating apps and websites offer opportunities to meet new people in a convenient way. Seeking guidance from experts can provide valuable insights, enhance your dating skills, and boost your confidence. Number 6. Embracing the journey and staying positive. Remember, finding love is a journey, not a destination. Embrace every experience, both the highs and the lows, as they contribute to your growth and ultimately lead you closer to the love you seek. Stay positive throughout this process. Trust that the universe has a plan for you and the right person will come into your life at the perfect time. Believe in the power of love, both for yourself and for others. Number 7. Fostering authentic connections. When you meet someone new, focus on building authentic connections rather than rushing into a romantic relationship. Take the time to get to know them, understand their values, and see if there is a genuine connection. Remember, true love thrives on honesty, vulnerability, and shared experiences. Nurture these connections, and they may blossom into something beautiful. Number 8. Practicing self-care and patience. Amidst the excitement and anticipation, it's crucial to prioritize self-care and practice patience. Allow yourself moments of relaxation, pampering, and rejuvenation. Fill your cup, and you'll radiate that positive energy into the world. Remember that love often comes when you least expect it. Trust the timing of your life and have faith that the universe is aligning everything perfectly. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey of rediscovering love. Remember, it starts within you. Embrace self-love, heal from past wounds, redefine your desires, expand your social circle, and date with purpose. Embrace every step of the journey. Stay positive and trust that love will find its way to you. Until next time, keep spreading love, both to yourself and to others. Take care.